Hey guys, what's up? We're back. I'm actually taking my girlfriend trout fishing for the first time today, so she's very thrilled that I woke her up early this morning.
Definitely.
She's not. She wanted to kill me. But yeah, we're going out to Dale Hollow. We're gonna go get her all set up. We're gonna get set up and we're gonna see what we can do. So I'll meet you out there once we get there. Stopped in at the gas station, grabbed some worms because the trout out here seem to love it. Got corn in the back, and I got the fly rod. So, and it's foggy, very, very foggy. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes today, and luckily they don't start generating until 1 o'clock, so we'll be good out here for as long as we need to be, so we can get our limit. All right, y'all, we're out here on the Obi. Nice and foggy, really nice temperatures. Haven't tested the waters yet, but that's always good luck out here. So hopefully we'll meet our bag limit today and we'll get some trout. Starting off the day with an absolute favorite pastime of trying to unwrap my my rod. It's being a little bastard right now. See if we can't possibly. Well, it's not really flowing that much today, is it? Come on. Hopefully we can coax something into taking that. Bunch of kayakers out today, so may move spots actually. GoPro's a piece of shit. I got me a beautiful rainbow. Did you swallow the hook? He's feisty. Sure enough, you swallow the hook. Good thing you have a circle C. Get your hand wet. I'll grab you. Really good size. Uh-huh. Oh, you stop trying to swallow my hook.
Hey, this doesn't capture very well. I think
Get it wet. Get your reel wet.
What do you mean get my reel wet?
I mean, get the reel wet. Like, get water in your hand and get the reel wet.
No, it doesn't actually not. I don't think that's the problem.
All right, let's get this guy in a stringer really quickly before he tries to jump off again. Just like that. A beautiful rainbow. Oh, you twisted my line up. You are an asshole.
You twist your line up?
Yeah. What was that?
Coming by and you let me know.
All right, appreciate it.
I want to go through where you're casting to.
I appreciate that. There's other guys up there just going right through. I was trying to cast. It's like I'm not trying to hit anybody, but I'm getting close. All right, sweet. First of the day. That's the reason why these circle hooks, little mosquito hooks, are good. Because you can always get them out. Come on, buddy. Get in the water. Using corn. Yep, pretty good sized rainbow. I think he's going on the smoker. Bring it to me. All right, GoPro, you better work this time. Cast out right there. Oh, had a bite. There we go. Good fish, good fish. Another good one. Oh man. Look at that. Come on, come on. Beautiful rainbow.
A lot of rainbow trout in here.
Oh yeah, there's a ton. Come on. Come on. You swallowed the damn hook again. Quit swallowing the hooks. I'm keeping size, so. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Chill, Chief. Fuck. Yo, you're caught. I've already got you, dog. Man. Another behemoth of a rainbow. Love to see it. Chill out. How about you can grab you the right way? Let's get you on the stringer first. Where's my, there we go. Oh, not twist it like last time. That was a pain to do. Bro, dude down here's freaking out. You're freaking out. Everyone's freaking out. Just chill for a moment, please. Fine. Come on. Yep, you're already on. Yep, you tried. Now I just got to get you off of my line. Not do that. Excuse me, sir. I don't really like what you're doing right now. Swallowing my hook and getting my line tangled all at the same time. You're what's known as kind of annoying. Bro, knock it off. There, see? Not that hard, just to, you know, chill out. All right, I'm gonna pause while I get this done. All right, and we're gonna start recording. So watch your line since you don't have a bobber or anything. Second starts getting pulled, let it sit, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna just slight little hook set, and you're good to go. And we're back. Cast. Oh, horrible cast. Let's redo that. All right, towards that shelf right up there. Perfect.
Got one.
Got one? Nice. Whoa, guy.
Oh, it's so cute.
Still tastes good though. Hey, get in the net, get in the net.
I'm trying.
Decrease the amount of line that you have out.
So cute. Yeah, I remember. I don't know what I'm doing.
I know. Pull your, pull up more line. You need more line.
It's not letting me.
Flip it all the way down.
I'm trying. There we go. It's like switching back on me.
Try to get attention or something. I'm just gonna reel that up. Help her out. Oh, that's your first trout.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing.
I know.
I've never done this before.
That's why I'm coming over here to help. And everyone else will get to see what to do.
Don't do this.
No.
Okay.
No,
Don't do what I'm doing. I'm new. Are you just
well, that's why I'm going to teach you how to do stuff, and that's why I also gave you that. All right,
Yeah.
so what you're going to do first, handle a trout, get your hands wet.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to grab them. Do you want to keep this guy, or do you want to let
Yeah, I definitely want to
okay,
keep him.
got
He's
it.
cute.
All right, so what you're going to do now is you're going to hold, you're going to try to hold your trout, and put him on a stringer, go up behind the gill plate, and slippery little bastard. Smaller guys are a bit hard to put. Chief.
Chill out, dude.
Give me that. I'll give him a good talking to. You hello, you need to chill out. You lost. Chill the fuck out. All right.
He's like, no.
You are getting. That's it. See?
I don't want him touching my
Just like that.
legs.
All you gotta do is put it through the gill, through the mouth, out of the mouth. Pull it through. Hey, no.
Chill.
The harder you try to fight, the harder I'm gonna squeeze. And just grab your little hook. We're using the circle mosquito hooks. So they're a little bit more of a nuisance to get out, but they also will hold the fish properly. Come on. Chief, you're being a pain in my ass right now. Quit it. Let me get my hook back. You're not. Thumb's stuck in the forceps.
There we go.
There we go. A little bit of coaxing, but I got him out. Go ahead and
I don't want him touching my legs.
well, I'm gonna have you hold them because that's your first trout. Ah, stuck. Thumb stuck again. Help.
Okay.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
So, just hold them like that. No, hold them
Oh.
like a normal fish. Hold them like that. Hold them by the tail.
I don't want to hold him by the tail.
Hold him by the damn tail.
No, I'll hold him like that.
Oh, see.
It's that or nothing.
Fine. Gosh. No, you're blocking the entire fish.
Why not?
Hold like this, like a camera.
Okay, fine. Pick him up. I'll hold him by the tail. Keep
Okay.
going.
Okay. Cool. we got stuff jumping over there too.
What do I do? This?
Yeah, like that.
Like right here?
Yeah. Hurry it up.
His tail's in there.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm trying to get you to. Hurry up and grab him. All right, grab my tail.
Hard or
Yeah,
not hard?
decently hard. It's slippery, so.
It's not gonna stay.
All right, we'll just get a good picture with you later, all right?
All right.
Okay. Anyways, back to fishing.
Put him in the water?
Yep. I just want to clarify how afraid of trout she is.
Excuse me?
There she is. There's the trout. That poor little bastard. All right. And let's get ready to give her a good old yeet. All right in the perfect spot.
You stay away from me. I'll gut you.
Yeah, you're gonna, whichever.
I would rather gut it than let it touch my leg. Seriously.
Okay. Well, we're gutting them later, so.
Aren't I just fun to fish with?
Come on, please. And because lines love to break and tie themselves to everything, I'll show you the power of a Rapala knife. It's braid. Yep, just like that. We barely had to do anything. Let's get this thing retied. Also, if y'all want to get some kind of discount on some of the good Rapala brand spinner baits or swim baits, I'll have a link down in the description if y'all want to go check that out and get you 20% off on some of their newer stuff. So yeah, we'll get this thing tied up and get back to fishing. There we go. That's a fish. Oh, decent one too. Yep. Working on them. Ain't that little. Still eating size. Oh wow, he's got really pretty spotting. Look at that. Beautiful spotting on him. How far you take my hook? Chill out. Hey, the more you struggle, the worse it's going to be for you, bud. Get this figured out. Get you on the stringer. We'll be on our way. Come on, give me your gill. Hey. Thank you for that. Aww. Why'd you have to go and do that, huh? Come on. See, it's not that hard. Get that probe out of you. There we go. Get the hook out of you. And get you back in the water. Yeah. Come on. Knock it off. There we go. Come on. I'm gonna let that off right there. There he is.
Oh, he is pretty.
Yeah, he's got really nice spotting on him. Oh well, the camera can see that, but yeah, it's really pretty. All right, back to getting rigged up and fishing. All right, of course I drop it, and there's every kind of gunk and moss on the face of the planet gets all over my stuff. Nice. Get your get him up. Get him in the net. Come on. Nice. Like a pro.
No, way far from that.
Okay, no, keep him in the net. Keep him support of the net.
I know, I'm trying.
Yep. Try not to soak my my rod.
I'm new, forgive me.
That's why I gave you a rod holder.
Oh, that's what that's for?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here, drop more bail. Yep. Just keep it open. Then just gonna throw it in the rod holder.
Oh, keep it open?
Well,
You mean like?
I mean you can. Do you have your pliers with you to get it out of them or no?
Wait, I'm new. I don't know. Let me check.
Nope.
I'm taking you out of the water.
And also,
I don't know where my pliers
okay, give me a second. I'll be right over there. Make sure you get them on the stringer first before you start doing anything.
are. On the what?
On the stringer. Oh, yeah, I suspect you want to keep them.
Yes. Poor guy never had a chance.
You're all tight on everything. Here, I'll bring you my pliers to use. I'm bringing my pliers over for you to use. So remember.
If you come back to life, we're gonna have a problem. I'm just saying. I'm just giving him a warning.
All right. Remember, wet your hands.
Both of them?
Just you can, and just whichever hand you're gonna grab them with.
Might as well do both.
So then grab them, like just manhandle them through the net.
Through the net like this?
Yep. Just.
And he's like caught up in it. Give me a second. Okay, there. I got him.
All right. There you go.
Oh, nope, he is caught. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How did it?
Here. Definitely grab them then. Definitely grab them hard.
Oh, you mean like right now?
Yeah.
I thought you were trying to get out. Okay.
Trying to figure out how.
How did that even happen?
My guess is it went through him.
Probably. I don't see how, but somehow it did.
Yeah, there we go. So get him on the stringer quick.
How? How you do it?
Through the grill. Yeah,
Through there?
push it up through the mouth. Yep, perfect.
Oh, that's easy.
Yep. Let me figure this out real quick. Yeah, that was a light hook right there.
Oh.
Look. Yeah. Lucky you got him in.
Yeah.
But
he wasn't a very big fighter.
A fish is a fish. Congratulations.
No, wait. Cody!
He's my Gerald.
Oh.
Fine.
Him and Gerald can get away from me.
You have to get used to him eventually.
Look, once I get waders, I'm not going to care if they're touching my legs. I'm touching my bare leg. It just creeps me out.
They're just fish. You're going to cut into them in a minute.
I'd rather cut into them than touch my legs. Do you need any more?
What? No, I have my own.
Oh, okay.
And after all that, we're finally catching fish. Yep. Hello, little rainbow. Hey, little buddy. There we go. Eating size, sweet. Get you on the stringer. Oh, you swallow, man, you guys are just loving to swallow hooks today, aren't you?
Did he swallow it?
Yep.
Don't they all?
Quit. Come on. Knock it off. Dude, just like... Sweet. But now let's get our hook back and we'll get back to fishing.
Oh.
You get tangled up again?
The third time in 2 minutes.
Yep. Sounds like fishing.
But I'm gonna break the rod.
Oh, trust me, I've already almost broken that same rod multiple times. Hey, fucking knock it off, Bats. There we go. Put that back. Get on that. That. All right, sweet. All right, y'all gonna show you how to fillet a trout. Come a little closer. So what you're gonna do, take your knife, you're gonna get right here back behind the gills, and you're gonna just press down, saw all the way through. See, it's a little bigger guy, so he's kind of being a little bit of a pain. Cut through like that. Other side, get it nice and clean off. Throw it, discard that. Go in here right at the very end of the stomach. Just gonna easily saw your way through. Just like that. See all those guts coming out? And just like that. Get that open. Peel back all the guts. Get all that out. Discard that. Now you've always got this little bit right up here, big old vein. Easiest to do. Just cut through that right there. Just cut through that. And get a little bit of water. Like so, get it nice and wet. And what you're gonna do is take your thumb, push against it like this, get all that extra out. Get it good and clean. Spray that all out of the way. Rinse and repeat until it's all good.
Was there a lot of people at the campground?
No, there wasn't a ton of people.
Sorry, that's all.
And spray that out right there. And just like that, you got a filleted trout.